Hello everyone, welcome back to CB Auto News. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting releases of the year, the 2025 Mercedes-AMG C63. Mercedes has taken bold steps with this new model, and the results are nothing short of spectacular. If you're a fan of high-performance luxury, stick around to see why the new C63 is turning heads. Let's start with the powertrain. Mercedes has made a daring move by replacing the iconic 4.0-liter V8 with a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine. Now you might be wondering, how can a smaller engine deliver the thrill we expect from AMG? Well, this engine is paired with a powerful plug-in hybrid system, giving the C63 an incredible 671 horsepower and 752 pound-feet of torque. This setup propels the C63 from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds, making it faster than the outgoing V8 model. The hybrid system includes a 201 horsepower electric motor and a compact 4.8 kilowatt-hour battery. This allows for up to 6 miles of electric-only driving, perfect for short trips where you want a quieter ride. But when you want that AMG thrill, both the engine and motor combine to deliver an intense burst of power. Plus, the hybrid system adds fuel efficiency, showing that high performance can be eco-friendly too. Mercedes has also reworked the C63's handling to make it more responsive. The updated chassis provides precise control, and the steering feels well-balanced, giving you confidence whether you're cruising down a highway or tackling sharp corners. And if you want an extra edge, Mercedes offers an optional ceramic composite braking system, enhancing stopping power for those intense drives. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that blends elegance with AMG's signature sporty style. Premium materials, exclusive stitching, and AMG branding give the interior a refined look. You get a panoramic sunroof, heated seats, and options for even more comfort, like ventilated seats and a heated steering wheel. The MBUX infotainment system is a highlight, featuring a large 11.9-inch touchscreen angled toward the driver, as well as a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster. With 5G connectivity, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, staying connected has never been easier. Starting around $87,200, the 2025 AMG C63 is set to compete with luxury rivals like the BMW M3. It combines thrilling performance with everyday practicality, giving you a car that's perfect for the track and the daily commute. So whether you're looking for speed, luxury, or eco-friendly performance, the new AMG C63 is ready to impress on all fronts. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.